found the workshop really enriching and also very hands-on for the students. I think that it was a very fruitful session for both myself and the students. I think like working with them is very interesting because each student, they have different characteristics. Some students are more outgoing, some are shyer. They actually stepped out of their comfort zone and gave a pitch in front of the entire class. They were very collaborative, or they listened to the workshop session very attentively, so that is very good. We've actually discussed a lot in terms of different types of collaboration, so I think it can be mutually beneficial. Yeah, I look forward to it.